Okay, so real quick, I wanted to let you guys know that if you are in the Savannah, Georgia area, okay, Savannah, Georgia area, any surrounding counties, and you are looking for some work, you are a cleaning company, and you're looking for someone to contract some work out, we have some work for you. I just wanted to let you know. We have a lot of accounts, and we are looking for qualified candidates, okay? People that have cleaning companies, just starting up your cleaning company. I tell you, this position is best for a solo cleaner, okay? I'm getting a lot of people that
1,000 feet, turn right onto Live Oak Drive.
Reach out to us, and they say that they got big teams and they want, you know, big contracts and all that stuff, but this ain't that type of deal. I'm looking for a solo cleaner, people that work for themselves, okay?
Take the next right onto Live Oak Drive.
That's what this position is for. It's best for people that just started your cleaning company and you want to come up underneath us and get busy and learn, you know, and grow, you know. So if you want to work for your girl, make sure you reach out to tenacityclean@gmail.com. tenacityclean@gmail.com, and on the subject, make sure you put looking for work on the subject, okay? Someone will reach out to you. We are looking for contractors, okay? Solo cleaners. Hit me up if you are in the Savannah, Georgia area, okay? Let's work. I'm ready to work. All right? That's all I had to say.